What you talking about? Is Jaden place?
Now it has been confirmed. Nationwide has stated that they have made contact with the Court of Appeal and they will be handing down the long-awaited judgment in the Vybz Kartel matter this Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. Keeping with their word, the month will not end without the three-judge tribunal of the appeal court, of which one of the presiding judges is now the president of the appeal court itself, giving its verdict or its ruling. Now the judgment will determine whether Kartel and his three co-accused, Sean Storm Campbell, Kyra Jones, and Andrew St. John, will be ordered to stand a retrial for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams after the Privy Council basically acquitted and quashed the murder conviction for all of the accused. Now it is understood that the judgment will be delivered at 2 p.m. So not only has a date been confirmed, but also a specific time. Now the judgment comes just over a month after the three-judge panel of the court heard arguments in the matter. Newly installed president of the Court of Appeal, Justice Marva McDonald Bishop, is expected to deliver the judgment. Justice Paulette Williams and David Fraser also heard the matter, as you know, it's a three-judge panel. Now what people have stated is that the Privy Council overturned the men's 2014 murder conviction in March and ordered the local Court of Appeal to determine whether there should be a retrial. Of course, we know arguments were made by prosecution, argument was made by the defense. But what most people are pointing out is the fact that I know who for arguments sound better are the facts of the matter. And the fact is, the prosecution no longer has the amount of evidence what they did have from the initial trial. So, even though they might still say them have enough way, them could have still say, alright, charges could be brought against individuals based on the amount of evidence that them have. But could you win a case? Logically thinking. Remember, these are individuals that go law school. Them know likely chances based on the evidence that them have if a ruling will be in their favor. We don't not talk about a ruling of decision and whether or not there should be a retrial. We are talking about even if a retrial is granted, them not have enough evidence, some people are pointing out, where them could have win a trial. The defense at this point in time have more evidence to defend all of the accused, more than no prosecution have evidence to prosecute them. Remember, there was never any forensic evidence. There was never any body recovered. There was never any proof that the location that was given to law enforcement by the alleged eyewitness, there was never any proof that any type of crime took place at that specific location. That eyewitness gave different statements, one to law enforcement and one to a public defender. Has the prosecution contacted or made any form of contact with that specific individual? We don't know. They must have the written evidence. But we got trust the written evidence when you have two different versions. Or it gonna make sense. Remember, Vybz Kartel's defense team said if a retrial was granted, because they have got through all options, they would want a jury. They wouldn't want it be, because you can have two different type of way the case can be heard. Like it can just be prosecution, defense, the accused, and the judge. Or it can be prosecution, defense, the judge, and of course a jury. Now, we don't now go into the details of the jury shortage, because even that can be remedied. With the evidence being presented against the Vybz Kartel and all the other accused, would it be enough to convince a jury? Or you gonna find jury members who know already hear about the case here, know about the case here, and have them own views on what them feel like say who them feel like say right or wrong. It's gonna be a task within itself to find individuals like that. We're just neutral. Them know nothing and them not pre nothing, you know what I mean? Them just gonna listen to what is being said now and make them decision based upon that and that alone. Remember, a fair trial has to be guaranteed. the court of can know say them can grant a fair trial. Now people already start talking about the money aspect. It not go cheap. A retrial will not be cheap. Also, them don't know when a retrial date would be set. Right now, we have a date for when the appeal court and the 3-judge tribunal panel, whatever you want to say it, when them are going to give them ruling, them verdict, and them reasons why them reach or arrive at that decision, and why they must say what they must say. We not gonna know even if a retrial is granted, and them say yes, retrial. They don't know when the Supreme Court, which is a different court, can accommodate a retrial in the matter. Because when arguments were being presented, the appeal court themselves go look upon a case when they may send back for retrial. And the whole heap of years ago, and guess what go on? The retrial still not started. Now 2024, the retrial still not started. I think that retrial was granted, I must say, sometime in 20 in the teens. Whether 18, 19, 20, 20, 19 teens, we about 19s. All know. People also point to the fact that there have been other cases. You see, Ms. Jackson Miller are looking into other cases where the appeal court ruled upon, which in those other cases, them released 2 individuals. And when the prosecution asks for a retrial, them say no. Based on how long them individually already, they're behind bars. It's almost like time served, like that's what happened to people in other first world countries. And a retrial was not granted in that matter. So some people already say, yo, July 31st, a big celebration. Yeah, man, the people already said July 31st will be a day of celebration for dancehall fans of Vybz Kartel. And keep in mind, I will say take a hard fee. I wait name there. Them find jury, and you know what I mean. If the worst of them are gonna try find specific types of jury members. This is the only case where happens so long, and every time there's an update, it get the reaction it get from the media. People are still interested. People still want to see the outcome, and people want to see Vybz Kartel and the other co-accused released. Yeah, people have different opinions, of course. Such is the world. You know what I mean? And everybody's entitled to their own opinion. But most people, say, based on what them see, them already believe, say, the prosecution never put forward the strongest argument. Them believe, say, the defense was actually the ones who put forward a stronger argument. May I ask you, who you believe put forward the stronger argument? Drop a comment in the comment section. Drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. You can simply say freedom if you believe in the defense put forward a stronger argument. But you don't have to go into details. Just tell me what you believe about it. Because most people, just like a jury, members, a requirement for being a part of the jury is not any law degree, not any experience in being a juror. Just so you can listen where you are here and make a decision based upon that. So based upon what you have heard, the arguments from both prosecution and defense, who you believe put forward a stronger argument? Kind of simple. Talk to me in the comment section though. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. Now, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.